Hello guys, so in this video we will see about modules functionality, that is point of sale fixed discount amount, right? So basically by using this module, point of sale users will be easily able to apply discount amount for each line, that is point of sale line. Suppose if there will be 3 to 4 point of sale line for a one single order, right? Then POS users will be easily able to define point of sale discount on each and every line if they want accordingly, right? So that is the main use and main key features of by using this module. You can be also able to see different advantages by offering discounts also, like it will be helpful to attract new and repeating customers, and it can also increase sales across the board, strong client relationships, monetized inventory, so like this, these are the all key features you will be also able to see over here. So as you can see over here, this module is compatible with Odoo Community Edition as well as for Odoo Enterprise Edition and also for Odoo.sh, right? Now let's see about modules functionality, that is over here. Let's open new session. All right, now here suppose I am taking 3 to 4 products lines over here, and I am selecting one customer, that is like this one, set customer, and here you will be able to see one fixed discount button over here. So just for one example, like I am selecting this row and I am applying like 10% discount, no, not percentage, $10 discount over here. Okay, so here I will just apply $10 discount. So here previously it was $16.50. Now after applying $10, it is $6.50, right? So just same like this, I can also apply like $2 discount like this. So this amount will be automatically get updated, right? And just like this, if I want to use this methods like with all right, so here selecting these methods, right, and validate this, also generate invoice for that. All right, so you will be also able to see when point of sale receipts will be get generated over here. You will be also able to see bifurcated discount as we have defined, right? So like this, on particular point of sale order line, you will be also able to apply this discount amount over here, right? And let's go at backend side for this order, right? You will be able to see at backend side this fixed discount is for amount, right? It is applied over here on point of sale order at backend side, right? And let's see invoice also. From invoice also that related deducted amount will be gathered over here, right, after applying that discount. All right, so that is all about our modules functionality. Thank you so much for watching this video.